Hi, M5975. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. Have a nice day. My name is Mercy Sapoco. I'm 43 years old. I have 4 children. I have one daughter, ages 22 years old, and 3 sons, ages 19, 17, and 13 years old. I have 4 children. I have 4 brothers, and I have 4 sisters. I am 5 in my siblings of the family.
Your religion,
I'm Roman Catholic.
highest educational attainment.
I'm high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experiences as a helper.
My working experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia since 2019 to 2022, my duties and responsibilities are cleaning, washing, dish cleaning, ironing, marketing, and take care of the children.
Okay. And on the Philippines, you have also experience, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I serve 6 members of the family. We have 2 adults and 3 children and 1 newborn baby.
Okay. Household chores that you do.
My household duty is ironing, marketing, cooking, cleaning, and ironing, washing the clothes.
Okay, and you're also taking care of pets, right?
Yes,
What kind of pets do you take care?
cat and dogs,
How many cats and dogs?
only one. Sir.
Okay. Since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby which is 6 months old, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn.
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I check her temperature and check her tummy, maybe hungry, and I check her diaper.
Okay. If the baby doesn't stop to cry, what will you do?
I call my employer and then I tell her that the baby is not good.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want helping my family financially needs and to my future of my children.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
5 years, and as long as you want, my madam, you want me, sir, to work.
So it is okay to extend your
Yes,
contract.
sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I didn't know, sir, but I love cooking and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
And how will you learn?
I watch the YouTube and then I read the book with the Chinese recipe book.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs as a helper?
Yes, sir.
Sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
But
But I don't have experience bedridden, sir.
so you are afraid to take care of bedridden?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my dear employer, if you hire me, I'm trustworthy. I'm trustworthy, honest, kind, patient, and God-fearing.
Okay. Can you also promise that will take good care of their family and also their children as your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Mercy.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.